Good day guys, welcome back to the channel. So if you are yet to subscribe and you've not done that, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like, share, your comment. So let's see what we'll be expecting on GBP USD. If you are to zoom it out, you can see that our GBP USD is clearly on a downtrend. That is the full movement on the 4-hour time frame. Now on this our current trend, we are also having that lower low and a lower high. This is it here. This is our lower low. This is also the lower high, and here comes the lower low. This is also a lower high. Here comes the lower low also. This is also the lower high. Market also give us a new lower low. Here is the lower high. The market give us another lower low. So our next movement on GBP USD is a lower high. So be expecting a bullish move for the day. So once it gives that lower low, lower high, then we can now be expecting a new lower low. But first, you should be expecting a bullish move on GBP USD. So just stay updated. I'll give you guys more updates. Also follow the Telegram. You'll find a link in the comment section.